Once upon a time, in a small town nestled between rolling hills and whispering woods, lived a curious fox named Milo. Milo was known for his adventurous spirit and his love for exploring new places. One sunny morning, Milo woke up with a sparkle in his eye and a flutter in his heart. He had heard tales of a mystical garden hidden deep within the enchanted forest, where flowers sang melodies and animals danced under the moonlight. Driven by excitement, Milo embarked on his journey, hopping over streams, ducking under branches, and following the gentle whispers of the wind. Along the way, he met a wise old owl named Jasper, who warned him about the challenges that awaited in the forest. But Milo's determination outweighed his fears. He thanked Jasper for the advice and continued on his path. As he ventured deeper into the woods, the sunlight flickered through the dense canopy, casting playful patterns on the forest floor. Suddenly, Milo stumbled upon a clearing filled with vibrant flowers of every hue. The air was alive with sweet fragrances, and the petals seemed to shimmer like precious gems. Mesmerized by the beauty, Milo couldn't resist frolicking among the blooms. However, as the sun began to set, a thick mist enveloped the garden. Panic surged through Milo as he realized he was lost. The once familiar path had vanished, and the forest appeared like an endless maze. Just when worry gripped his heart, a soft glow emanated from the ground. It was a trail of glowing fireflies, leading the way through the darkness. With newfound hope, Milo followed the fireflies, navigating the twists and turns until he saw a familiar landmark. He finally emerged from the forest, greeted by the first rays of dawn. With a mix of relief and gratitude, Milo found himself back in the town square. He had returned home, wiser and more appreciative of the guidance of others. From that day on, Milo shared his adventure with the other animals, teaching them the importance of both courage and heeding the advice of those who had walked the path before them. Now, Milo the adventurous fox's tale remained a bedtime favorite for the little ones in the town, reminding them that bravery and wisdom often go hand in hand.